How's it going, everybody? So, just wanted to make a little quick video here because I just thought this was a very interesting development today, or yesterday, depending on where you are, with George Soros apparently getting involved in crypto, although the details aren't too specific. It's basically Bloomberg article stating that his family's got approval to get involved. So it's very much in the early stages, but it could be a sign of things to come. I've read some recent articles. So here's the one stating all the details there, or you can just do a search and you'll find it all over the internet at the moment. Found it in my local paper, Sydney Morning Herald. So that's find interesting because he is one of the big hedge fund managers in the world, quite well known, and also joins a couple of other ex-fund managers like Novogratz. Let's just do a quick search here. Novogratz Bitcoin, for example. Here's another one that's really been behind it, as well as Tico Tawari, quite well-known commentator in the space. So anyway, I just thought I'd make a quick update, do some more research on it, see what other people are saying. I've just been watching a few YouTubes on it myself, and yeah, just an interesting development.